Hello, welcome back to Smart Money TV. I want to appreciate my returning subscriber for always coming back here. And if you are new here, my name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online as an affiliate marketer, as a crypto trader, and online investment and online opportunities. So if you love this content, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos. You can also join our Telegram channel on how you can earn money online. The link is available in the description button. Welcome back. In today's video, I will be walking you through on how you can share and earn money online. As you can see here, share and earn money, the best URL shortener in the world. So on this website, you'll be shortening links and share the links to your people and earn money online. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I'll be showing you two ways on how you can get link and where you can share your link and earn money on this website. So the name of the website is exe.io and the link is available in the description button. Look at their statistics. People have shortened over 18 million links on this website, 1 million daily clicks, and over 900,000 people has registered on this website worldwide. So this website is available worldwide, and I want to show you their proof of payment and their payment method. They pay through PayPal, through Bitcoin, through Payees, through advanced cash, through perfect money, and through ATM. So I prefer Bitcoin and advanced cash. If you don't have a Bitcoin account, check the description button. I will put in my Binance referral code so you can register with Binance and have a Bitcoin account. So if you don't have advanced cash account, I will also drop advanced cash so that you can register with them. If you click on this menu bar, you'll be able to see their payment proof. Now this is their payment proof, as you can see. So, and they pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, PayPal, Payees, PayPal. We look at the amounts they have paid, so they are paying people. Look at the dates. This is the date right here. So this website is a legit website and it is available globally. Now next thing to do is to click on the menu bar and register. So make sure you sign up. It's very easy to sign up and it is free to sign up. Put in your details, your username, your email, password, and click on register. So after your registration, this is how your dashboard will look like. The most amazing thing is that the minimum withdrawal on this website is just $5. So if you have $5, you'll be able to withdraw. If you have any money, you can click on this withdraw to withdraw your money. If you want to shorten any link, you can click on create link and paste the long URL here. When you paste it here, you click on create, so it will shorten the code and give you a new URL. Now the question that will be running through your mind is that where will you see a link to copy and where will you be posting the links? So at the end of this video, I'll be showing you where you can copy your links and where you can post your links so that many people will view the links and you get paid for it. You can also refer your friends and earn money on this platform. Okay, now let me show you where you can copy links and where you'll be posting links. The first thing you need to know is that you need to look for viral video, the video that is going viral at the moment. Okay, now let me walk you through to Google Trend. When you go to Google, you can type Google Trend. Okay, so this website will help us with the trending things that is going on in your country. So this is Google Trend. All you just have to do is to select your country and see what is currently going on. When you click on this place, you'll be able to select your country. So my country is Nigeria. When I click on Nigeria, you will scroll down to see what is going on currently in Nigeria, what people are frequently searching for. So okay, so the recent trending news in Nigeria, people are searching for folk shop, people are searching for this, people are searching for this, then this. So if you go through this thing, you go and copy the link. If you come across any of this news on your social media, you can copy the link and go and shorten it on exe.io. So let me teach you how you are going to do it. Okay, you can click here for trending searches. Okay, now this is today's date, and the first thing that is trending presently is Fuchshaw. You can click on it to know more about what are people searching for, and they have 2k searches at the moment. Now yesterday, which is Friday, people are searching for this on the social media. If you can see right here, people are searching for this. Okay, so you can click on it and look for the latest news and copy the link. I'll be walking you through how you can copy it, so just stay with me to the end of this video. Now let me click on this one, Fuchshaw. Okay, so you can click on this particular news, so it will direct you here. You can just take your time and go through it and copy your links. To copy this link, you need to click here. When you click on it, you will see copy. So you just click on this place to be able to copy this. So when you copy it, you go back to your exe website. You come back to the website and log in. So make sure you log in before you shorten any link. Okay, I've already logged in. So you will just put your link here. Go back to dashboard. Okay, then click on create link. So you just paste your URL here and you click on create. So it will load and shorten the link for you. So it has already shortened the link for me. This is the link, and the next thing is to go and post it somewhere. Now where are you going to post this? Now the next thing to do, if you're in Nigeria, you just go and search on Google again that news forums in Nigeria, news forums in Nigeria. Okay, so we have a lot of news forums. You can just go and drop your links under their post, like this Naira Land forum. You can just read any of their this thing and drop your link. Search for any related post that you copied their link. Okay, you can search for any of it and post the link you copied. After you have shortened your URL, so just look for the latest one. Unlike this now, this Oshibanjo, Tinubu and Oshibanjo, we have a lot of news about them. Go and copy their link, shorten the link and paste it on any of the any news that is going on the social media. It can be on Facebook, it can be on Twitter, it can be on Instagram, it can be on anywhere. Just make sure you post it. When people click on the link, you will get paid for it. Now this is the first way you can get link on the social media. The second way to get link is by going to YouTube. So you can go to YouTube and search for any latest news. Now you can search for lose weight. So you don't need to watch the video, you just have to search for the latest one and copy the URL. Okay, all this one I'm seeing now is 3 years ago, 5 years. This is 1 year ago. You can just copy this one, or if you have anyone that is laser, you can click on this place, click here. So you don't need to watch the video, just click on it and click on share. So when you click on share, to bring the URL, so click on this URL and copy it. So when you copy it, you go back to your XEO and paste your link. So make sure you always log in before you shorten any link. Okay, so go to create link and paste your URL. So when you paste it, click on create link. So it will generate your link for you and you click on copy. So when you click on copy, you can go to Google again to go and search for any lost weight forum. Lost weight forum is either in America or in anywhere. So when you join the forum, lost weight forum. When you join the forum, you will be able to post your link. You can just write small article and post your link. Okay, it can be on Facebook, anywhere. So join their forum and paste the link on the forum, and when you have more viewers, you will get paid by exe.io. And let me paste the link I copied and see what it will actually brings out. So this is the link, and when you click on it, this is what it will brings out. It brings out a video. So a lot of companies have been paying this SEO for adverts. That is where they are also seeing money to pay you guys. So this is what you'll be doing, and you will earn a lot of money on this website. A lot of people has been doing it, and they are earning money for themselves. So I don't want you guys to be left out. That's why this channel is for you, and to educate you on how you can earn a lot of money online. So on this note, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my latest video. So guys, I will say thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.